Hi, I'm Pravar, and I'm a rising junior at Thomas Jefferson High School. This is the TV Bagon, a little remote that turns off any TV within a 150-foot radius. I chose this project because I found it really interesting how such a small device can broadcast a signal to almost any TV, any brand of TV, any model, within 150 feet to turn them off. So this remote does work. I have demoed it at home. I know it works, but I don't have a TV right here to make sure that it works. But how this works is there's a little button here that you can press to start broadcasting the IR signal. And there's also a little indicator LED here, a small green LED that tells you when the signal is broadcasting or when it's off, the whole device will be off. There's a little resistor behind the LED to make sure that the LED is at the correct brightness. And everything is controlled by this microcontroller right here. There's a small capacitor here for time control. So how it works is when I press the button, it sends a signal to the microcontroller to make sure that the microcontroller starts broadcasting the signal that should turn off all the TVs. It then goes through the 4 capacitors here that turn on the 4 IR LEDs. Now the 2 in the middle are narrow range IR LEDs, and the 2 on the outside are wide range LEDs. And they are the ones that broadcast the signal to all the TVs. So some challenges that I faced while building this was mainly soldering related. So I had to solder many small points and made sure that they didn't overlap when soldering them to make sure that it worked properly. And moving forward, I will be moving on to my intensive project, which is a mini tank robot, and maybe even building a case for this to make it more aesthetically pleasing.